Hello, beautiful people! Good morning! Welcome to our channel, Fluidity of Life. This morning, I'm gonna show you what usually my routine every morning. Hair, and I do a little bit of stretching. I'm not doing, I don't go to the gym, I don't do heavy lifting, just a little stretching. That helps you wake up and, makes your body flexible. Just from head to toe, like this, like that. Circular motion. You can do whatever just to keep the body moving para mabuhay yung mga dugo na natutulog pa. And I heard, stretching, dancing, walking. So I'll just do my morning exercise inside the house. Lifting your legs, move the hips, yung mga belly dyan, and so on and so forth. You can do whatever you want. You can spend 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and then after that, on YouTube, a lot of exercises. So, I'm gonna show you one of those dances I'm trying to follow. Health tip sa inyo guys. Okay, here you go guys. I'll show you one of the dances or dance fitness, Zumba. I heard dancing is one of the best exercises because it's not just the body, also our brain, because we're trying to learn the steps. So you're exercising your body and at the same time your brain. Okay? Keep the body moving for healthy lifestyle. Okay, here we go. See, hiningal ako konti. See? Exercise. Good for your heart, your brain, and your body. Just enjoy. I'm lost already. Okay guys, that's for today. Healthy exercise every morning to keep that body moving. See you next time. Fluidity of life.